Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find and copy your Bitget wallet ID. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to be doing over here is simply going to go ahead and we're going to open up our Bitget app right over here. Then we're gonna go back from over here so I can show you the process. So we will be here in this section. We have to switch to assets and tap on deposit. So there is no way to get a direct or a singular wallet ID of your whole wallet. You have to get an individual ID for individual asset of yours. So once you go to deposit, tap on deposit crypto to choose out of which asset you would like to see. Let's say for example BNB, we tap on that and we will be able to get this kind of interface. For you to access it, you have to verify yourself. Once you are verified, you will find a QR code over on the top. You can scan it to get the ID as well. Otherwise your ID will be over here, deposit address. Simply go ahead, copy it once it's available, and you're gonna go ahead and use it. You can use it for any other exchanges or deposit or withdrawals. So that's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.